G2 Ultra Smart Lock. Installation tutorial. Accessories list: front lock, rear lock, manual, key, card, lock body, tail ruler, base plate, gasket, battery, casing, screw, slot screw. Install the lock body according to the instructions. Screw on the fixing screw. Install the sleeve on the front lock. Then tighten with pliers. Install the other two bushings. Install the gasket on the base plate. Put in the lock cylinder. Secure the lock cylinder with screws. Install the front lock. Run the wire through the crack in the door. Install base plate through wire. Use screws to hold the base plate. Connect the rear lock to the wire. The extra wire is stuffed into the crack of the door. Secure the rear lock with screws. Unscrew the battery cover screw. Open the battery cover. Load the battery. Close the battery cover. Install the screws. Test whether the unlocking is normal.